Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python step by step. First, you'll want to get Python installed on your computer, along with a good code editor like Visual Studio Code. This initial setup is crucial for writing and running your programs. Then, dive into the absolute basics. What are variables, different data types, and how do you perform simple calculations? Spend about 1 to 2 hours on this foundational stage to build a strong base. Once you have the basics down, it's time to master core Python concepts. Control flow is essential. Learn how to make your programs make decisions with if-else statements and repeat actions using for and while loops. Functions are your best friend for writing clean, modular code, allowing you to reuse blocks of instructions. Dedicate around 3 to 4 hours to these topics, as they form the backbone of most Python applications. Next, we'll delve into object-oriented programming, or OOP. This powerful paradigm involves understanding classes and objects, which help model real-world entities in your code. You'll also learn about modules, which are essential for organizing larger projects and reusing code across different files. Error handling, using try-except blocks, is another critical skill to ensure your programs are robust. Plan to spend about 5 to 6 hours on these advanced topics. Finally, the best way to solidify your learning is through practical application. Start building small projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Then, explore external libraries like NumPy for data or Flask for web development, depending on your goals. Continuous practice, perhaps 30 minutes daily, and engaging with the Python community will accelerate your growth significantly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.